Do you have a Chase Sapphire Preferred? If yes, have you activated your free DoorDash DashPass yet? Hey, I'm Leen with Leen on Travel, and with your Chase Sapphire Preferred, you get a free Dash Pass through December 31st, 2027. Even better, you also get a free $10 credit to use on a Dash Pass non-restaurant order every single calendar month. And if you're frugal like me, you don't want to pay delivery tips and fees. But what's great is you can filter your DoorDash down to only those non-restaurant places that offer pickup. My closest and most convenient DoorDash pickup location is a 7-Eleven. I got $10 of free Poppi drinks that my husband loves, but I'm too cheap to buy on my own. But since he too has a Chase Sapphire Preferred, I also created a DoorDash account for him so that we actually got $20 worth of Poppi drinks for free. In my video's description, you'll see the link to my blog article with screenshots to these step-by-step directions on how to activate your DoorDash freebies. But you're basically just going to just first create a Dash Pass account. Under Account and Payment, you're going to enter your Chase Sapphire Preferred card. After submitting it, you're going to click Learn More to apply your Chase Sapphire Preferred credit for free Dash Pass through December 2027. And then when you're ready to place an order, you're going to log into DoorDash and on the home screen, click Pickup, and then find a 7-Eleven or a non-food business. You're going to select that non-restaurant and then click Pickup. Add at least $10 worth of items to your shopping cart. And after you start to check out, you're going to switch the delivery default back to pickup because they like to switch that on you. On the right, click promo codes, rewards, and gift cards, and then you'll click apply up to $10 off Chase X Dash Pass. Verify that your order is either now free or drop $10 before clicking place a pickup order. This is extreme couponing and travel hacking rolled into one, and I love it. You can use this free $10 every calendar month for each Chase Sapphire Preferred card in your household. Now, remember, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is your golden key to unlocking free travel. Because of this card, you earn hundreds of thousands of Chase Ultimate Rewards points that you can then transfer to hotels and airlines. If you haven't yet applied for Chase Sapphire Preferred, I would be so appreciative if you'd use my referral link as a way to say thank you to Leen on Travel. Happy travel hacking.